DJI Mavic 2 Pro, calm before the storm. That's coming up next. It's hurricane season, and it has been thrust upon us here in Florida with a loud exclamation mark as we are all preparing for the impact of Hurricane Dorian. Now, currently, projections are from the National Hurricane Center that it will hit the coast of Florida. It's estimated about 8 p.m. on Sunday evening. So stay tuned to Build a Drone Reviewer and Build a Drone Reviewer Limited Edition. We're going to be doing some news and some updates along this. We want to keep everybody informed of what's going on down here. And first and foremost, to any of my fellow subscribers and viewers in the state of Florida, please make sure that you and your loved ones are safe and follow all instructions as given to you by government officials. It's paramount that you stay safe during this period of time. Well, the calm before the storm. Well, last night I had an opportunity to catch an incredible sunset with a Mavic 2 Pro. I'm just going to go ahead and roll that for you right now. I hope you had a chance to enjoy this video. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.